Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, we're going to talk about Saily and is it the best eSIM? If you're interested to know, just keep on watching the video. Saily offers plans in 190 plus countries starting around $3 to $5 for 1 gig for 7 days and regional plans from $4.99. That's competitive, especially for light users. But note, Saily is data only, no calls or SMS. The app is clean and beginner friendly. Activation takes minutes with strong 24/7 live chat support plus unique perks, built-in ad blocker, web protection, and virtual location (VPN-like). Here's where the picture gets mixed. Many users report solid performance in Europe and the US, but in Japan, China, India, Vietnam, and Thailand, there have been serious issues, such as internet speeds in Tokyo were almost unusable, many apps don't recognize active connection at all, but 10 gig for Vietnam, zero connection, ended up switching to Airalo. Multiple travelers faced stock activations and inconsistent coverage tied to local partner networks. Support is generally responsive, and refunds are handled if they admit failure. But some users say support is slow or unhelpful in practice. So here's the final verdict. In terms of ease and setup, it's great with fast activation and intuitive app. In terms of features, it's also great with powerful privacy tools built in. In terms of price and value, it's good. Cheap plans, but data only. In terms of coverage, it's actually mixed. It's solid in Europe and US, but it's kind of spotty in Asia. In terms of support, it's decent. Live chat works and refunds likely. So, is Saily the best? Kind of, but with caveats. It's ideal for budget travelers in Europe or US wanting privacy features and ease. But for trips to Asia, Japan, China, India, Vietnam, you might want to go with more battle-tested providers like Airalo. And here's the bottom line. Go with Saily for simple, secure eSIM needs where coverage is reliable. And avoid Saily if you're traveling in regions with known network issues or have a backup plan. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!